Sawadee ka tukon! Hello everyone! This is Teacher Adat, a day in my life as a fresh graduate from college and now as a public school teacher in Thailand. Today is our 5th day of school in Thailand. Kaya let's go, get ready with me! Good morning everyone!
Thank you.
Sawadee ka! Good morning!
Morning, sir.
Hindi ka na nagugulat?
Hindi na.
Good morning, Sir Maria. I love you, mwah. Make up time! Good morning, Teacher Jen! Good morning, Teacher Namtan. Ohayo gozaimasu. Morning, Teacher Toy. Ohayo gozaimasu. Good morning, Teacher Fern. Ni hao. Jiao shang hao. And I'm done with my makeup. Good morning, Teacher Om. Sawadee ka. Jiao shang hao. Ni hao. Never enough, never, never, never enough, never, never for me, all the shines, the towers and the spotlights. Oh. Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Answer all the questions. This will be for next week. The last one in here, you're going to paste or put your photo or picture of yourself. Did you understand? Okay, that will be for next week. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down.
Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome.
Morning. Class number 7. Student number 8. For name is Tom. My class name is Makayong 1. Last name Kandok. Nickname or class level.
Ansakdana. Song nga na. Samud. Song. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down. You're welcome.
Class level M5 flat.
Everybody stand up, please. May tong-off na. Goodbye and thank you, class.
My last name is Sangtan. My nickname is Oregon. My class level is Matthew 5/1.
Just answer all the questions, and on the last part, you are going to paste a picture or a photo of yourself. Do you have questions? Print it out in A4 size bond paper. What else? Questions? No more questions? Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you. you, class. Okay, see you next week. Goodbye, teacher Ming. Goodbye, teacher See you tomorrow. Tapos ako na ay ubos. Ay, gano'n.